Hey Spices! Do you have a favorite cocktail? My favorite cocktail is an apple martini, or some people call it appletinis. So that is what we are making in this video, but we are switching things up and we are turning them into Jello shots. Why? Because it was my birthday on Wednesday and we are not done celebrating my birthday, and this is the perfect party recipe. So let's go spice things up. The first thing we're going to do is heat up some water in a teapot tea kettle. Once your water has heated up, you'll want to pour 1 cup of hot water into your measuring cup. Next, you'll want 1 package of green apple gelatin, and you can get whatever brand you want. I like Jolly Rancher, and you'll want to pour it right into the measuring cup. And then whisk it up until the hot water dissolves the gelatin. And now you want to get 1/2 cup of sour apple, it's the pucker, and 1/2 cup of vodka. And if you can see, this is my really cool bottle. This is digital, so it changes. So right now it says I love you. And it can change to happy birthday, it can change to happy anniversary, it can change to a lot of different messages, or you can go onto your phone and just create whatever you want. Shaq promotes this alcohol bottle. I love this alcohol bottle. I am not sponsored, but I wish I was. All right, so we need 1/2 cup of each. Okay, 1/2 cup of sour apple. And 1/2 cup of vodka. And then stir it again. And now you will want to get these mini party cups. These come with lids, and you'll want to put them on a pan. This just makes it easier to travel with and that they don't spill or anything like that as you're transporting them to the fridge. If you cannot find these, I'll put a link below so you can find these little mini party cups. And anyways, you will just want to put them right on your pan. Okay, so the reason why we poured everything in a measuring cup, so it'd be easier to pour. So you'll just want to pour them in your mini party cups. About there. And just continue to fill them till they are all filled up. Now the last thing we need are these cherries. These are the perfect cocktail cherries, of course, and they always go in apple martinis. So we're gonna just take 1 cherry each and just put it right in the Jello shot. And just continue till each Jello shot has a cherry in it. Just like this. Now, normally with transferring any Jello shot, I usually put a lid on, but for these kind I don't, because I like the little cherry stem sticking out of the Jello shots. But you don't always have to have the stem on. You can just do the cherry and then put the little lids on. All right, so now it's time to put your Jello shots in the fridge. So we are gonna put these in the fridge for about 3 hours. So we'll come back in 3 hours. All right, guys, it's been 3 hours, so time to check. So if you can see, they are nice and firm and ready to party with. All right, Spices, are you ready to party with me? So let's give this a try. So you have to run your finger around, kind of get it out. Well, and then I kind of don't know if I want to chug because I got the cherry, but I'll try. Oh man, so good, guys. You will love this. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and comment down below what your favorite cocktail is. Bye, and see you in the next video.